what is positive definite matrices and how to find out whether a given matrix is positive definite or not. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn in this video. So here, when we have any given symmetric matrices with n positive eigenvalues, okay, if you get a positive eigenvalues for any given symmetric matrix, then such matrices we call positive definite matrices. Okay, that is the first thing. Second thing is, for any given matrices, if you find out n upper determinants, so let me teach you in the problem what is upper determinants. Okay, so if you find out, so those upper determinants, so those determinant values should be greater than 0. If that is the case, then we say it is a positive definite matrix. Then all n pivots that we find out in the given matrix, that should also be greater than 0. And then all eigenvalues that we find out in a given matrix, that should also be greater than 0. Okay, so these are the certain conditions that we have to verify whether the given matrix is positive definite or not. Okay, positive definite or not. So now we will have a matrix here. We have a matrix A equals 1, 1, 1, 2 and 2 and 1. So in this question they are asking to find whether A into A transpose and A transpose into A are positive definite matrix or not. So we have A here, so let me write A transpose here. So A transpose would be 1, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 1. So now what we will do is, we will try to multiply this A with A transpose and we will see what do we get. So it is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. So what do we get here equals, so here 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So I get 2, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1, so again 3, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1, which is 3, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2, 4, so which is 1 plus 4, which is 5, 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2, so which is 4, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is the matrix I got for A into A transpose. Now in this matrix I will verify certain things. First I will find out n upper determinants. So n upper determinants. Okay, the first determinant D1 equals, now the first determinant itself will be 2, so 2. Then the second upper determinant would be these 4 elements, 2, 3, 3, 5. So 5 2s are 10 minus 9, which will be equal to 1. The third upper determinant would be equal to all these 9 elements. Okay, so determinant would be what? 2 into, so upper determinants when I am going to take, I will consider always first this single element, then this 4 element and then the entire matrix, determinant of entire matrix. Okay, so it is 2 into 25 minus 16, 2 into 5 5 is 25 minus 16, minus 3 into 15 minus 12, plus 3 into leaving this column and this row, 12 minus 15. Okay, so what do we get here, which is equal to 2 into 25 minus 16, which is 9, minus 3 into 15 minus 12 is 3, plus 3 into 12 minus 15 is minus 3. So which is equal to 18 minus 9 minus 9. Minus 9 minus 9 minus 18. So 18 minus 18 equals 0. Now the rule is all n upper determinants should be greater than 0. We have this which is greater than 0. We have this which is greater than 0. But we have this which is equal to 0. Therefore, A into A transpose is not equal to positive definite matrix. Okay, this is one method we find out the positive definite matrix. Now, if I find out the second method, like finding out the eigenvalues, let me see. So, to find out the eigenvalues, what we will have? We will have 2 minus lambda, 3, 3, which is a minus lambda I, right? A minus lambda I equals 0. Determinant of a minus lambda I equals 0. So, 3, 5 minus lambda, 4, 3, 4 and 5 minus lambda. So, determinant of this is to be found, and we will try to use that formula lambda cube minus trace into lambda square plus minus of diagonal elements into lambda minus determinant of matrix equals 0. This we will use. So, lambda trace equals what? 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 5 is 13, and minus is what? Minus is nothing but determinant of the first minor is with respect to 2, which is 25 minus 16. So, I will say 25 minus 16 is 9. I will directly write 9 plus the second trace is with respect to 5. So, this row and this column 10 minus 9, which is 1, plus the third minus is with respect to this 5. So, this column, this row 10 minus 9 again, which is 1. 9, 10, 11 I get. Determinant of this matrix, we have already found this in this D3. While finding out this D3, we have already found D3 here, which is the determinant of the given matrix, which is 0. Therefore, I will get lambda cube minus 13 lambda square plus 11 lambda equals 0. So, I will take lambda common here, lambda square minus 13 lambda plus 11 equals 0. Now, I need not to do further, because here you see lambda equals 0 first, and then you get another 2 values of lambda, but we have received one of the eigenvalue to be equal to 0. Therefore, as eigenvalue is 0, this matrix is not a positive definite matrix, right? As eigenvalue is 0, therefore this matrix is not a positive definite matrix. Okay, this is the answer. This is how we find out the solution. Okay, either you can find out n upper determinants, or you can find out the eigenvalues, and if you see any one of the eigenvalues is 0 or less than 0, then we say it is not a positive definite matrix. Now, let us go with A transpose into A. Let me go with A transpose into A, which is equal to A transpose is what? A transpose is 1 1 1 2 2 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 multiplied by A matrix A is 1 1 1 2 2 1 1 1 1 2 2 1. So, therefore, which is equal to 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 2 is 4. Similarly, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Now, second row first column 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into 1 into 2. So, 1 plus 2 plus 2. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 1. So, what do I get? I will get 4 5 6, 2 2 4 5, 5 6. So, this is what I got. Now, let me find out the determinant of upper determinants. The first upper determinant is 6 itself. Therefore, D1 equals 6. The second upper determinant is the determinant of the entire matrix, because you get only two upper the number of upper determinants is equal to the the dimension of the matrix. So here 2 cross 2 is there. Earlier we got 3 cross 3. Now we got 2 cross 2. Therefore, the determinant of D1 is 6. Determinant of D2 is 36 minus 25. 36 minus 25. So 11. Okay. So as we see, both the upper determinants are positive. This A transpose into A is equal to the positive definite matrix. We will also see finding out the eigenvalues here. Now A minus lambda I will be equal to 0. Determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Therefore, 6 minus lambda, 5, 5 and 6 minus lambda equals 0. I will just take 6 minus lambda the whole square minus 25 equals 0. So 6 minus lambda square is 36 plus lambda square minus 12 lambda minus 25 equals 0. Therefore, lambda square minus 12 lambda plus 36 minus 25 is 11 equals 0. Therefore, I can easily say this as lambda square minus 11 lambda minus 1 lambda plus 11. So, these are the factors. Okay. So, if I take lambda common here, I will get lambda minus 11, and if I take minus 1 common here, I will get lambda minus 11 equals 0. So, therefore, lambda minus 1 equals 0, lambda minus 11 equals 0. So, I will get two different determinants, eigenvalues, where lambda 1 equals 1 and lambda 2 equals 11. So, these are the two determinants. If you see, both are greater than 0. Therefore, I can say that this matrix is positive definite matrix. I hope now you people are realize that how to check whether the given matrix is positive definite matrix or not. Okay. So, I hope you have understood what is positive definite matrix and how to verify the positive definite matrix in this video. Thank you.